Back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to track progress in Khan Academy. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply track progress in Khan Academy, all you gotta do is simply go to Khan Academy. Once you're in your Khan Academy, you need to create an account for yourself. Once you've created your account as well, you need to now use the progress tracker in Khan Academy through your learner's homepage. You need to simply go and tap on progress tab. So once you go there, you need to simply tap on the tab for the personal stats like minutes you have spent, activity log, and skill levels, or the teacher parent dashboard for child or class insights, which has mastery goals, assignments, and activity report. We can use filters like date range for detailed view of learning patterns, exercise minutes, and skill proficiency. So this way you can simply track progress in Khan Academy. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.